Well, welcome in. Check it out. You guys, Christmas music is playing as we watch the Be-Belicious show due to the fact that there is music playing in my background. So do forgive me. Now join me as I reminisce as I eat the White Castles as a mukbang.
I'm over here eating some
but I
White
wanted
Castles.
to inform you that I see what I see.
In a minute.
So let's get out into the video.
Got the original
And don't
slides,
forget to
you know?
thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel. Where I'll try to bring you content that is current and what is happening in the YouTube streets down the road. You hear me?
I'm say,
Honey?
everybody can't do what you do. Although they'll try. Y'all, I got some White Castle burgers, chicken wings, and cheese steak. Yeah. Why we just can't be great at what we do? I don't understand. Now, let me get it out. Talk about carry back a bone. I don't know who Linda is, but Linda definitely got the business from local. She definitely got the business from local, y'all. But what I don't understand now, these cheese sticks and this honey mustard, the bomb. Baby. Baby. Let me get a little bit down, y'all. You know, when you're hungry, you'll say anything. That's what I'm starting to believe. Baby. You talking about the YouTube streets doing too much? Lie to you now. Doing some now. Not like that side to side. Why make a comment if you don't want to be seen? And I gotta say that. This so negative energy. That's roaming the streets of YouTube, honey.
You see, at this point, I had to stop and pause the video because the fact is, it's just so much that's going on in the YouTube streets. Such as, I'd rather not tell you, I'd rather just put it in the video, but there's so much and it's coming all at one time, y'all. Honey, you gotta ask yourself, is it fake or is it real? But you already know I'm trying to give you a little enlightenment before I put the video out. Y'all, I'm working behind the scenes diligently. You know what I'm saying? Baby, and then silly Mukbang coming up with this video, honey. Right. Stay posted.
Some of y'all doing the mowing. Yeah. Now, wasn't it some beef 7 months ago? So why are we still hearing this beef months down the line? It's almost like, excuse me, 7 months ago y'all was trying to connect. I was gonna do a collab and everything. Nice, ugly. The best way for me to describe an ugly situation. Some months ago, y'all was trying to get along. And get this new way of forming. Trying to build a relationship. And y'all want it to look like straight people. Never understand. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna cut it in, but we're gonna get in. Click like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. This Be Delicious TV. Come on.
Video up next. Stay tuned.